time I start to paint, somebody stops by to talk to me. It's good though. A lot of people, you know. It's good that people are, or I appreciate that people are showing lots of interest in the paintings. I was uploading a bunch of videos to YouTube, but I was either singing or whistling in some of them, and not that it's anything to write home about, but I think it might get kind of flagged for those. So I have to stop whistling tunes while I work if I'm going to do video capture. This is going to be covered by a tree branch, so don't think I have to be too critical on. Well, I don't really have to be too critical on any of these cloud shapes. I think it's more about tone and the hue and the value and all that good stuff.